Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papure Borua and press on the bell icon for all notifications.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Let us today cook something called Otengar Lagot Dal or Otengar Lagot Musur Dal. Musur Dal as we call in Assamese, and this is red lentils in elephant apple. Tangy dish, something that you can enjoy in a hot summer day which will make you real cool inside. So let's start cooking this authentically Assamese dish which you'll love. There are many beneficial or medicinal qualities when we talk about the otenga or the elephant apple. It not only cures stomach related problems and protects the kidney and improves the RBC count, but it's a constant source of energy, and it also delays aging. It fights many infections, and also it's said to be very good for diabetic people. So let me now show you how we go about really cutting this otenga. Now let me show you how we go about cutting the elephant apple or otenga. This is the way you slit it across, and this is how it looks. Turn it over and just cut off the top portion. And this is the way you go about. Okay. Then you take out the central portion like this. Okay, you remove it this way. I would also like to tell you that this part, which is the discarded part, can actually be used to clear off all the dandruff in your hair and have nice and silky hair. The gum from here, this part of the otenga, is really beneficial if you really want to use it in your hair. And this is the way you take it out. The internal part, this soft internal part, is what will go to make my tangy dal curry. So you just scrape it off there. Just tear off the cover there, and just this internal part, clear off everything, and we're going to use it. Next thing, you really need to smash it this way with something that's a stone or something like this, and then this is the way it will go into the dal. This is how it looks after being crushed, and this is what I'm going to use in my dal now. So I've taken the dal in the pressure cooker. I'll put some turmeric, just a small half a teaspoon will do, and this exactly goes in there. It's as easy as that, in fact. So you have to be careful. It might be very, very strong. So just give according to the way. You have to make a measurement in your mind. This is the amount that's needed. Put in some salt, and now we're going to put in the pressure cooker at least for 6 to 7 whistles. After around 3 whistles in the pressure cooker, I'm trying to give in some jackfruit seeds, and this will add a distinct flavor and typically Assamese, authentically Assamese flavor. But I normally do not give it in the beginning, because this way it will be really crushed off otherwise and smashed and mashed. So I'm putting in around 6 or 7 jackfruit seeds, and now we'll give it another whistles, around 5 or 7 whistles in the pressure cooker. This is how the dal looks after almost around 9 to 10 whistles there. Now I've heated up a cast iron karai, and I'm going to drop in, say, 1 small teaspoon of mustard oil. Oil is smoked. I'm putting in the fenugreek seeds there, methi dana. This is the red chili, and of course the bay leaf. Nothing else needed, no spices, just a little bit of haldi, because the color has grown a little fade, and in goes the dal. In some water also, because it's very thick otherwise. Let it boil and let it be ready to have and enjoy in a hot summer day with steamed rice. I just remove the scum from the top and then of course I'm going to just taste in for the salt, and this is done. You see, no spices at all. That is the speciality of Assamese cuisine. Enjoy some dishes without any spices. This is heaven, and you need to try out. Really, I tell you, I just removed the bay leaf also. Its work is done. I'm going to remove the red chili, and now all I need to do is that dish it out, and when I'm having it with my steamed rice, these pieces of elephant apple need to be crushed into my rice there and enjoyed. Of course, we need to throw out the remains there. So let me now dish it out. So this is my yummy and tangy O Tenga Dia Dal, or this is red lentils in elephant apple. And this is an authentically Assamese dish and something that will cool you in a hot summer day. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a like and a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.